Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for June 3rd of 2025 is titled Rainbow Airglow over the Azores. So, what do we see here? Well, up in the sky, we see a big pattern with different colors in it and different repeating patterns, looking like a number of rainbows across the sky. But these are actually caused by various different things. Now, the pattern itself, the repeating pattern, you'll see labeled here, what are called gravity waves. Now, this is quite different from gravitational waves that we have looked at in the past. Gravitational waves are actually caused by moving objects with mass, and they are a consequence of Einstein's general theory of relativity. The gravity waves that we see here are actually within our own atmosphere, and are patterns that will cause that and cause their oscillations within the atmosphere. So the best analogy might be something like a rock thrown into a still pond of water and watching the ripples spread out. Well, the waves can occur like that in the atmosphere as well. Now, the different colors that we see are also caused by different things. So what we can see, the reddish glow, that dark red that we see, comes from hydroxyl or OH molecules that are up high in the atmosphere, and those are excited by the sun and caused to glow. The orange and green that we see are even higher up than that, and those are caused by sodium and oxygen atoms in our atmosphere. So the different patterns repeat there, and then repeat because of that pattern, those gravity waves that we see throughout the image. Now we can see that this is labeled, so we can see the various regions that we're looking at, and this is a part of the northern sky. So we see some of the very far north constellations, such as Cassiopeia and Draco, off to the right-hand side. We also see Andromeda and Pegasus off to the left-hand side, including the Andromeda Galaxy right there just at the end and slightly above the word Andromeda. That is the nearest large spiral galaxy to our own. And that's not the only galaxy in this image, as we also see our own Milky Way stretching from the bottom center up toward the upper right of the image. So not only do we see the gravity waves as well as the various different sky glows that we see, including what is called airglow in the sky, but we also get to see highlighted a number of the different constellations identifying the specific portion of the sky that we are looking at today. So that was our picture of the day for June 3rd of 2025. It was titled Rainbow Airglow over the Azores. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Reuben Begins. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.